Have you ever wondered how do these ships go from one place to the other, from one port to the other? When there are no signs, there are no signals, there is no route. Yes, it's worth thinking. And for the people who have zest or who love the sea life, the adventure, this is something which you can think about. Navigating, yes, taking people or cargo from one port to the other, from one part of the world to the other part of the world. And how is it possible? It's possible only through nautical sciences. Welcome to Career Growth. Today's topic, nautical sciences. Nautical sciences deals with the sciences that takes the ship from one port to the other in very simple words. So what does it involve? It involves technology. It needs to know the weather conditions and the geographical locations. And a lot of people confuse over here with merchant navy. Nautical sciences is applicable across the entire shipping industry. So how do I get into this field of nautical sciences? Well, if you are a class 12 science student with physics, chemistry and mathematics, you can get into BSc Nautical Sciences. So is that all enough? Of course not. You need to undergo the proper selection process. You need to be medically fit. You need to have the proper eyesight and go through the selection process. The 3-year undergraduate degree equips you with all the nuances of the ocean, of the ships and the machinery. So is that all enough? It's enough from the education point of view. But you need to have certain specific personality traits. You need to have the risk-taking ability to stay in various weather conditions, to take decisions, being away from the family, and also you need to be very analytical. The combination of these kind of personality traits and the proper training can get you into nautical sciences. So after doing this course, where do I get the jobs? The entire ocean world is waiting for you. It could be in educational institutes, in training institutes, in shipping companies, in oil rigging companies. It could be in cruise liners too. You could be working as a consultant. You could be also working in various government quarrying agencies. It can start with a degree course wherein you enter as an assistant, but it can go up to the level of captain also. So you see, if you want to lead a very zestful and adventurous life, doing a nautical sciences course can just take you there. Thank you. Keep watching Career Growth.